Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So let me give you an update about the library.tv I showed you in a video earlier on this channel. So I keep earning library credits. As you can see, I have 202 and some also stacked in tips and in videos I published. So around 41 library credits here. And total 240 and some credits. Okay, so as you can see, I have this totally on autopilot. I don't touch the library.tv very often. Videos are uploaded automatically from my YouTube channel, so each time I upload a new video on YouTube, it also is uploaded here on this library.tv channel, and people are discovering my videos and they are giving me tips and some additional library credits, which is really cool. If you want to join library, I will link in this video's description the link where you can join and you can get 20 library credits bonus by using my link. So go ahead guys, click on this link and I tell you that I will also get 20 library credits, but you will also get 20 library credits. So thank you for clicking on the link from this video's description and joining library with my link. So yeah, here it is. This is my channel and I earned 202 library credits. So if we check the price of LBC, let's check how exactly are they priced, and they are a bit down recently because they were more expensive lately, but no problem. So let us make a quick calculator and check this number times 204. So I have around $4 stacked here on library, and this is a kind of passive income because I don't do anything for these credits, and they are getting and starting growing on autopilot. So yeah. Okay, so this is all I wanted to show you. Also here are my rewards, and this is my channel, which is on library. It has 470 videos published, and yeah, these are also the videos that I published automatically on library. So here are all of them from YouTube automatically to library without me touching it anymore. Okay, so this is all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will publish a new video each day at 8 p.m. GMT, so don't forget about hitting also the bell notification to get notified each time I publish a new video. Okay, so this is all for now. Have a great day. Bye bye.